So you're thinking about getting your first 3D printer, or maybe you just got your first 3D printer and you have no idea where to start. You know, with the holidays coming around, a lot of people are going to be getting their first 3D printers, and it's going to be a lot of fun, but there's also going to be a learning curve, whether that's you trying to figure out how to start the dang thing, or just all these different things that you want to learn how to do, but you don't know where to start. And that's why I want to start this series. I want to start a series of easy to digest, couple minute videos, whether it's like 2 to 5 minute videos, so that I can help you learn the basics about 3D printing. And even if you've been 3D printing for a really long time, I want to help develop maybe some better skills so that when you help people 3D printing, you know where to start. My biggest motivation for this is that when I started 3D printing, there were things people were saying and they were like talking about that I didn't know what it was, and it was actually hard to find an answer. I would hear things like Core XY or dual extrusion or priming towers or Creality sucks, and I didn't know what any of that meant. And I didn't realize that even at the beginning that the Ender 3v1 is a Creality machine, because I was so new to the entire environment. And I want to create a space where people are going to feel like they know where they can go to find the answers to what some people in the 3D community would say are simple questions or simple answers. But the thing is when you don't know anything, you don't know what's simple and you don't know what's not. So again, this series is going to be compiled up of a bunch of different videos back to back. Again, short form, so you can watch them while you're on your break at work, while you're in the bathroom, really whatever situation you need, because I don't want to give you so much information in a 20-minute span that you get lost in it. We're going to take it really easy. We're going to take it one step at a time. And again, if you're an experienced 3D printer, this content might not be for you. But also at the same time, if you guys hear something and you're watching this, you're like, hey, you should mention this, or you should talk about this, that's awesome. I also am going to need you guys to comment on it and say, hey, I'm having trouble with X, Y, and Z, or I'm having trouble with this thing. And we're going to go over it because I've got a ton of printers here. I mean, I have everything from the Bamboo A1 to the X1 Carbon to the FL Sun T1 Pro to an Ender 3V1 to the Creality K1 Maxes that are right behind me. I have a lot of printers and a lot of experience, trial and error. I'm not the leading expert in this field at all. There's some amazing people out there. And while I'm at it, you guys should really make sure you check out Uncle Jesse, Frankly Built, over on TikTok. Check out Akuma, also here on YouTube. He's on both. There are going to be some just really right away basic people to start with, to start getting your feet wet to understanding more and more about 3D printing. I know there's a lot of other resources out there, but I want to just be another one, especially again because the holidays are coming up. I'm sure people are getting 3D printers. Maybe you bought one for yourself, maybe you bought one for a niece or nephew, maybe you bought one for a son or daughter, or you're the one who received that printer. Either way, I'm here to help. And I'm basically Bensky, and mistakes make magic, baby.